Welcome to the starting line, mind-body warriors. Are you pumped to begin your 90-day journey to fitness greatness? Kickstart your morning with a quick warm-up. High knees, arm circles, jumping jacks. 30 seconds each. Get that heart racing. Now, let's dive into today's powerhouse workout. We've got squats, push-ups, mountain climbers, and bicycle crunches on the menu. 45 seconds each move. 15 seconds to catch your breath in between. Feel the burn, feel the progress. Refuel with a delicious, nutritious spinach banana smoothie. It's quick, it's healthy, and trust me, it's gonna make your taste buds dance. For lunch, how about a grilled chicken salad? Or for my veggie pals, a vibrant quinoa salad. Dinner? We're talking about scrumptious baked salmon or a hearty stir-fried tofu with quinoa. And hey, let's not forget the mind. Set a clear, achievable goal for these 90 days. Write it down, visualize your success every single day. Jump on board, hit that subscribe button, and let's embark on this transformative journey together. Ready, set, transform.